Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I am going to talk about my art journey. It all started when my mother bought a coloring book for me. So I colored the book very soon and I finished everything soon. So my mother used to get some butter papers and trace it. And that one encouraged or it inspired me to get good at art. It was like I used to feel that it was like the copy of that itself. But as it went, I started learning art. I like in the age of like 5 or 4 years or something, I started doing some houses and etc. I started learning art. It was like I used to do art blankly. I used to not think about what to do. I used to create lots of houses, roads, mountains, and it went on. So until third standard, until first actually, until first I used to continuously do this. Like I used to do the houses and etc. Then in first standard, my mother and father they sent me to art class or something. Until second standard I went over there, and I improved in painting over there. So after once I improved in painting, then I was about to learn portrait. By that time our art teacher, like, they got some job or something, so I was not able to learn portrait. So I'm still bad at portrait. That is secondary. But after that I left. Then in third standard I started making a routine. Made a perfect routine for myself, or timetable to follow, and I used to do one painting daily or something. So I did it continuously for 1 year, from third grade to fourth grade. So doing that helped me to get good at art. So I'm recording this second time because the last time everything got like spoiled. Well, I will continue. So doing this art for continuously for 1 year, it improved consistency. I mean, I did art consistently, and it made me get more good at art. It made me improve at art. So it helped me overall. Then after third to fourth, then again I left art in between. Like in fourth, I stopped doing art. I used to do paintings here and there sometimes, or else it was very. Hmm, I used to do it rarely. I used to not do more often. I was like that time. I was playing more into sports. I used to play badminton or something. I was not into art so much that time. Then like in fifth again, I was not doing more of art. I used to like in the whole year I did some 3 or 4 paintings. I don't remember properly. Excuse me. So in fifth also I did not. I was like concentrating on sports and other spheres of life or whatever. That is etc. I mean, that is not needed over here. So let's concentrate again back. So in fifth, I did not do much of art, and then in sixth, our art teacher, Rekha ma'am, she sent me to some competition, art competition. They had given the topic on spot, so I was not ready. So I was like practicing all the types of painting and other all the ideas, whatever it was. But as it was on the spot, I was not good at it, because I was not good at drawing from imagination. I used to see only YouTube videos and do art like that. So what is it is then that's why when I went over there, the topic was on which I had to draw. The topic on which I had to draw was sounds of nature. So in that I was like, I did not do anything much. I drew little bit from my all imagination, which and all the videos I saw. I remember that I drew. I mean, painted. I used to not draw at that time. I used to paint that time. So, and due to that, I got to know that I do not know how to draw from imagination. So for that sake, I learned how to draw from imagination. That spirit was not there for a long period of time. It was only for like 3 or 4 days. Then I again stopped and concentrated on studying. Then again in seventh, I did not do much of paintings. I did less. Then at the end of seventh, like this coronavirus came, whatever, COVID-19. Like after my exams and all. So then like I used to not go outside. We had to stay inside due to lockdown. So quarantine or whatever you call it in your states, whatever countries or whatever you call it in your areas. So due to that, I was like inside my house only. So I used to watch more YouTube videos. Like I used to watch Minecraft videos. I used to watch Jack Frost Miners videos. He's a very nice guy, by the way. I like his voice. Okay, that is secondary. So then like one day I watched this video called 10 things to do in sketchbook or something like that, named one video. And that was like Kesh is the like his YouTube channel. It is, he uploaded that video, so that inspired me a lot. Then I saw more videos of him, like 3 videos of him I saw on that day, and that inspired me like very much. And that's why I made a sketchbook, because we couldn't go outside at that time due to coronavirus. So I only made one sketchbook at home. My mother helped me. Then I started drawing in it. So then I later on I got improved, like I improved in art, like drawing daily. I used to take some references from like Google. Then every time I continued, and I got good at art, basically. So then after all these, like um mm, I became silent for once. Okay, let me say it again. So after all these, like it improved me to get good at art. And then like our online class started, and I again stopped like doing drawings and all. Then like our online class again stopped. Like I do not know the exact reason for that. When once it stopped again, then I and my friend, we started like what is it called? What is it called? 100 days of sketching. It was like art challenge held by Kesh. So I participated in that. That helped me again to get good at art, and that helped me to get good at drawing from imagination. And like yeah, there are some prompts and on which we have to draw. But however, I couldn't last long in 100 days of sketching. Like only 37 days or something I was like in that I participated in that only so many days, and rest I missed it because my online class again started. And in between the 100 days of sketching, I and my friend made our own challenge. Only for V2 we used to like do 10 days of sketching, and we only made it. We made some prompts that also helped me to get good at art. Then after that, like for a long time I stopped like sketching. Not very long, like only 1 month or something I stopped sketching. And after that again, like before 5 weeks or something, I made one sketchbook called the ballpoint pen sketchbook, in which I forced myself to draw with ballpoint pen. In this video also I am like not drawing, like painting, I'm like outlining the drawings which I did from ballpoint pen. So that will I thought that that will help me to get like adjusted with the art supplies. Because I used to like I wanted very costly art supplies, not that costly. I wanted some good art supplies like brush pens. So I made like I got inspired by again Kesh over here to use ballpoint pens. He like said use whatever materials are like available to you. I have others available, but I felt like I wanted to try to draw with ballpoint pen. And ballpoint pen is actually the best art supply I have ever used until now. Because even the brush pens are not that good as ballpoint pen. You get like very thick strokes and other things you can do with a ballpoint pen. However, that inspired me, and again I started like doing ballpoint pen sketches. I may put some pictures of ballpoint pen sketches like on this in this video. I may put now itself, I think so. So and then so that and all helped me to get good at art again. It's still there. Then and by the way, I have like stopped. I have thought that I am not going to participate in, or not participate. I'm not going. I am canceling 7 days of comic, because it's like I thought, let me take one step at a time. Let me do some other videos now. I can do all the art challenges afterwards. And by the way, I am thinking of participating in Inktober this time. I don't know how much time I will like participate, how much days I can be participating in that, as it is a month, like if we have one full month we have to participate. And in October first month I have my test also, exam, not test, exam. So whatever it is. So all this made me get good at art, and drawing camp helped me like nice, very best tutorial it is. It is also by Kesh. I joined it, and like it's a 7 day program. His videos link will be in description. His channel link will be in description. And what is it? What is it? What's it? What's it? His drawing camp course will also be in description. It's basically as a website. In that website, we have to like sign up for the for the drawing camp. So it's very like good, very nice. It is like very nice tutorials. It's like the first course is free, and the rest courses are like we have to pay money. So the first course is 7 day long program. So he will he will teach so many techniques and other things, and due to that we'll get very good at art. It's very is nice actually. And due to that I am like with a short period, in a short period of time I was able to get good at art very soon. So I recommend you guys also to go there. And that's it. So now I have more to explore in this art. I have actually said about art only in this. I am concentrating also in my other things like studies and playing other things also, because only art will result in various like disease, not diseases, pains or whatever, like tennis elbow, all those things will happen. So I won't like completely concentrate on art, because on art is always, you can't be drawing. So I concentrate on others also. Okay, like the video, subscribe and share to others. Let's set at least 100 views for this video, and subscribe. Once we hit like 1,000 subscribers, I will do some live streamings if you want, if you guys want. And then I hope we will like take this, you guys will, not we, you guys will take this channel to great heights. Hope so. This video will be very inspirational for others, and nothing much. So enjoy the rest of the video. All the best for you guys' art journey. Enjoy the rest of the video. Again, subscribe.